Before you meet Jesus Christ, you are in a state of existing, but not in a state of living. So you may exist, but not living. Kukhona ukuthi ube khona emhlabeni u-add number yama South African citizen, you exist kodwa ungaphili. Because up until you meet Jesus, life without Christ, that life has got no meaning. That life lacks direction. You have got no direction up until you meet Jesus. Jesus comes with a purpose for your existence, and then you begin to quit to exist, to live. You begin to quit to exist. You begin to live after meeting Jesus. Ekinisweni ukufa kukaJesu bangekhona nje ukuthi abantu baxolelwe izono. Those are the means. Is salvation, the main aim of salvation is restoration. Ubuyisela umuntu kwi-original plan kaNkulunkulu. Asuswa kuyo uSathane. Nikhona wathandekayo. Because from the word go, uSathane mayihlasela abantu abadala uThixo in the Garden of Eden. Wayengahlaseli bona per se, but he was after a position. uNkulunkulu ababeka kuyo ngamanye amagama, the devil was after the throne. Because God said to them, have dominion. He was after dominion. Now, my introduce isono. Isono was a means ukuphuka umuntu in dominion. But as long as umuntu in good standing with God, that person can dominate. That person can dominate. The Bible says the prayer of a righteous man avails. Not a prayer of a praying person. No, a prayer of a righteous man avails much. Woo! So the devil was after dominion. Well, I was with her take dominion. But say in abantu be we good standing with the Lord.